Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ansible for cloud server configuration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Ansible for cloud server configuration, start by ensuring your server meets the necessary prerequisites. First, access your cloud server via SSH using your terminal or command prompt. Next, update the package index to ensure you have the latest software information. Use the command sudo apt update for Debian-based systems or sudo yum update for Red Hat-based systems. Once updated, install Ansible by using the package manager. For Debian-based systems, execute sudo apt install Ansible. For Red Hat-based systems, enter sudo yum install Ansible. After the installation, verify that Ansible is installed correctly. You can do this by running Ansible version. Now that Ansible is installed, it's essential to configure the hosts file. Navigate to the Ansible hosts file, typically located in /etc/ansible/hosts. Edit this file to include the IP addresses or hostnames of the servers you wish to manage. You can group your servers logically by creating sections in this file. For example, start a new group by adding web servers on a new line followed by server address. Next, test your connection to the managed servers. Run the command ansible all ping to ensure Ansible can communicate with your servers. If the ping returns a success message, your connection is configured correctly. Now, let's create an Ansible playbook to automate your cloud configuration. Create a new YAML file, such as configureserver.yml. Inside the file, define your tasks under the hosts section. Start with to indicate the beginning of the playbook. Specify the play with hosts, web servers to target the group you created earlier. Next, add tasks that specify what configurations you want to apply. For example, to install Apache, add a task, name, install Apache. Follow this with apt, name equals Apache 2 state equals latest for Debian based or yum, name equals HTTPD state equals latest for Red Hat based. Save the playbook and exit the editor. Now you're ready to run the playbook using Ansible. Execute the command ansible playbook configureserver.yml. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.